Here in the Old Northwest, now known as the Midwest, or the Great North Woods, Michigan, some material has been shipped from Lewiston, New York to Van Buren Charter Township for burial, and it's nuclear waste, and it's no good. It started out in Hanford, Washington as a part of the Manhattan Project, which never actually took place in Manhattan. The Manhattan Project, this portion of it was carried out in Hanford, Washington, and they made the Nagasaki bomb. The Nagasaki bomb was dropped on Nagasaki, Japan, and there was one dropped on Hiroshima too. That was prepared somewhere else, I think, somewhere else in the Southwest. And they blew up the cities. Then they kept it secret because it was so nasty what they did. Then they had atoms for peace because Eisenhower wanted everybody to have atoms and wanted the world to think that we were working on something for peace, when in fact it was just a bloodthirsty pursuit to blow somebody up, to bring the war to an end, because everyone was running out of money. Now, the Nagasaki program was carried out in Hanford, Washington, which is along the Columbia River, and it is poisoning the Columbia River. So they had to move it out, and they brought it over to Lewiston, New York, and the Niagara River is being poisoned. So after that, they brought the stuff here. They're bringing the stuff here to the Van Buren Charter Township, and it's, you know, it's like 400 feet away from Ford Lake. It is very close to the Huron River. The test wells that they have are actually higher than the water level. It's pretty nasty what's going on here. So Columbia and Niagara rivers are poisoned. Save the Huron River. So please help us and say, no, 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 no. We don't need nuclear power. You don't need it anywhere in the world. Anywhere. If you are being told that you can only use nuclear power, you are being lied to. You do not need any nuclear power. All of it, the longer that material stays out, that trash, that garbage, that waste, that nuclear waste, it spreads and grows. The Columbia River, look it up. The Columbia River runs through the border between Washington State and Oregon. The Niagara River, border between the United States and Canada. The Huron River, stuck over there, Van Buren Charter Township. Don't even want to talk about that. But look up the dumps that they have there in Van Buren Charter Township and all throughout Wayne County and Washtenaw County. It is a crime to anyone that is hearing this. Thank you.